Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a brand new Amazon Prime unboxing, unbagging. So let's take a look and see what we have here, okay? So, okay, cool. This is a set of pens that I got off of Amazon. And they are, they're special pens supposedly. They're like the old-fashioned pens I used to use as a little girl in one of my, I think grade 6. My grade 6 teacher made us buy it. These are fountain pens, but these are disposable fountain pens, and they're by the company called Fuente. And there's one color of each. There's like two blues. There's a light blue and a dark blue, a purple, a pink, a red, a green, and a black. And this is just an unboxing, but I will do a review, and we will. Let's grab one of the blue ones, and I'll just grab my one of my books, and I'll show you. So these are fountain pens. And when I was a little girl, we had these kind of pens, and they were called cartridge pens, because you had to put the cartridge in the body of the pen, and then kind of snap them together right here, so that the ink would flow through. And because one of my teachers wanted us to write with this kind of a pen. I have not touched this kind of a pen since then. I bought one last year, and I unboxed it on the channel, and I lost it. I don't know where I put it. I put it away after the unboxing, and I can't find it. So I don't know why it's not with my art supplies. It should be. So this is definitely immediately going with my art supplies. But hang on, let me grab my book here. So I just have this little practice sketchbook. Let's just go find a page. Hang on a second. I gotta get a new one pretty soon. This is just my play around sketchbook. Like, this is not a real good sketchbook. This is where I practice. So here's the blue. And we'll do a review on these after. But look at that. Right out of the package. And I'm not very good at writing, but look how nice that looks. So what you can do is you can get different lines depending on how hard you push, just like a regular pen. And it feels really nice, actually. So the reason why I got these pens is because October is Inktober. October is Inktober. And I thought, I never do it. I always try to do Inktober, and I never do it. I think last year I did 5 or 6 pictures, and that's it. But this year I would like to try it. So I'm not going to test all of these because this is just an unboxing. But let's look at the pink, see what it looks like. Isn't that pretty? And let's just quickly, what color? How about purple? And I will do a review on these after I try them, okay? Let's just do a little scribble in purple. Let's do some circles. So there's 3 of the colors. And like I said, we'll do a review together. I would like to have a chance to work with these first before I do any kind of review. See if I like them. But the tips all seem nice, and these were a really good price compared to what I could get like at Michael's or something. So these were $19.99 for all of them. And that's 5% off. They're normally $20.99, so like that's hardly anything off. But I thought $19.99 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pens with 7 different colors. I thought that was a good price. I've bought pens like 1 or 2 at a time just at my local Staples, and they're like usually $3 or $4 or $6 or $7 just for one pen. So I don't know. I thought this would be fun for Inktober. What do you guys think? And look how fun the colors are. The only color that's missing is yellow. So if I wanted to add yellow, I would probably just use a pencil crayon or some, a marker. I've got lots of markers I could use. And markers are ink, right? So I'm really excited about these. So like I said, it's a Fuente disposable fountain pen. 1 of each color, package of 7. They're from the Zebra store at Amazon.ca for $19.99. And they have really good ratings. There's 4,564 ratings, and they're at 4.5 out of 5. So I thought that was nice. And I was really excited to get to try this kind of pen again, because I haven't touched this kind of pen since I was a little girl. And I remember being really happy to get to use the cartridge pens, because it was my first time using a pen that wasn't just like a big ballpoint pen. And and back then, the ones that our teacher made us buy, they're pretty fancy. And my mom was really upset because she said it was too expensive and why can't we just use a cheap pen? But we were all so happy. And that same teacher also made us try the old ink pens where you have an inkwell and you have to dip them. And he got rid of that real in a hurry because we were spilling the ink all over the place. So this, I think, was his compromise, that we went with well, these are fountain pens, but the ones they used to be called cartridge pens. I just got green. Okay, let's just quickly look at the green. Let's just quickly. Oh, the green's dry. Okay, I wanted to see the green because I was just looking at some of the reviews where they said the green was dry, and my green is dry. So I will be contacting the company right away. There's no ink coming out of the green. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all the pens and put them in a cup so that they're facing down. And it could just be that the problem is that they need to be facing down because they just came in the mail. So the ink just might need to flow. So I'm just going to hold them like this in a container. And I will get back to you when I review and let you know if the green ever works or not. Okay? All right, so that is it for this. Pretty excited. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe. Hit the notification bell. All of those good things that help me as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care. Stay safe. Happy crafting. Bye, guys.